Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can untag yourself in any Facebook post that you've been tagged in. Sometimes people tag you in posts or photos you don't like. Maybe it's embarrassing, maybe unrelated to you, spammy, or something you simply don't want on your Facebook profile. When someone tags you, it can appear on your Facebook timeline and also notify your friends. The good news is you can remove or untag yourself from any Facebook post, photo, or video instantly. In this video, I will show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to untag yourself in a post you are tagged in using your mobile phone. So guys, just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to tap on your Facebook app to open it. So let me tap on my Facebook app to open it. You can see guys, my Facebook app is opening. So once my Facebook app opens up, I will make sure that I'm logged into my account. And also guys, before I go ahead now to show you how you can remove or untag yourself from a post that you've been tagged in, I have already made a video on how you can be able to review a post that you've been tagged in before they go public on your Facebook profile. So if you want to review a post that you've been tagged in before they are seen or before they show on your Facebook profile, there is actually a settings you can do so that you can be able to review and approve any post that you have been tagged before they show on your Facebook profile. So go over to the description of this video. You will see the video link right there. Tap on the link, they will be able to watch and learn how you can review a post that you have been tagged in before they appear or show on your Facebook profile. So guys, let me continue. Now the next step you have to take now is to tap on your profile icon. You can see your profile image right there at the left. So let me tap on it right away. Let me tap on the profile image. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see that three dots. You can see that three dots right there on the right. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see activity log. Where I'm actually leading you guys is where you're going to find all the posts that you've been tagged in. So let me go ahead now to tap on activity log. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see public tags. You can see it right there, public tags. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see what's written at the top. It says activities you're tagged in. So guys, now you can see this is where you're going to find all the posts that you have been tagged in. So this is where you can find it. So what you can do right away now is to filter it. If you want, you can actually filter it. You can see where you can see the filter icon. So let me tap on it. So guys can see it right there. It says filters. So you can filter this search. You can search it based on date. Maybe you want to search for a particular post that you have been tagged at a particular date. You can use the date. You can use audience. You can search for those that are public, those that are private, and also you can search based on people. You can see there all is chosen. That means I need to see all the posts that have been tagged in right here. So guys, that being said, let me remove this. Then let me show you how you can remove or untag yourself from a Facebook post you have been tagged. You can see this one right there. On the 7th of May 2019, I was tagged. So what I will do now is to go ahead now to untag it. To do that, I have to tap on that three dots on the right. So let me tap on it right away. You can see the options that are here. It says view. So if I want to view the post, I tap on it. So right here it says hide from profile. So if I want to hide it from my profile, so anyone who goes to my profile will not find it, I can go ahead to tap on it. You can see here it says view the persons that that's the person that tagged me. So I can decide to view the person's profile. Then the last one there is the second to the last one there is remove tag. So I can decide to remove the tag, and that's what this video is about. Then the last one there is report tag. So this video is about how to untag or remove tag from a post that you've been tagged. So let me go ahead now to tap on remove tag. Let me tap on it. You can see what's written here. It says remove tag. This action cannot be undone. So let me tap on remove right away. See guys, it's loading. Wow guys, you can see now I've been untagged from that post, and right here you cannot find that post right here again. The post is no longer here. The tagged post is no longer here. So if that person that tagged me check the post that he has made, he will find out that my profile is no longer tagged. I'm no longer tagged in that post. So guys, this is how it works. So guys, now I've been able now to show you how you can be able to remove or untag yourself from a post that you have been tagged in. And I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing, and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.